trying to lose a pound every single week? Just follow through. Hispanic inspired recipe. I keep it super brief. I'm not trying to waste none of y'all time. Let's get to cooking. Understand one thing, we all can't be eating the same exact thing. We have different portions that we need to hit in order for us to lose weight. All right, so if you're trying to lose a pound guaranteed every single week without even doing cardio, stepping on a treadmill, look, go in the description. I edited up the recipe to fit a bunch of different ranges, and hey, if your range isn't down there, just let me know. Send a comment, DM me on Instagram, send me an email. I'll literally edit the whole recipe just to fit you. All right, I made it nice and colorful, super easy to follow. And the seasoning is entirely up to your preference, all right? Just don't overdo. Then we're gonna cut up our squash. That's it, look, we finished up. Look at all this food. And look, the calories are gonna be up there. Super easy. And I'm gonna lose weight eating all this food. And the thing about these recipes is they fill you up. Like, it's not like I'm just eating like a head of lettuce and then that's it. Like, they fill you up, and guess what? At the end of the week, we still gonna lose weight. Now let's go work out.
You want the whole crew, shorty, right? When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave. Hop out, drop top, fuck y'all, talking on me right now.
Woo! Just finished that nice little workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But look, right now we're gonna make our post-workout meal, which is like the second meal of the day. To me, I used to make milkshakes and stuff like that all the time, but I got so tired of like that taste to the point where now I just like eating oatmeal. Like, I don't know. Am I the only one? What's your post-workout meal that you guys like to eat the most? To be honest, me, it's oatmeal, and that's what we're gonna make right now. And yes, it's Hispanic, because you could just call it avena, you feel me? And right there, it's already Hispanic. I just said it in Spanish, so that means, you know what I mean? Grab whatever oats you like. I like to use these oats right here. Grab whatever flavor protein you like. To me, I'm a vanilla kind of guy. You could do chocolate, strawberries, entirely up to you, but I'm simple. And then you grab your cinnamon. That's literally all you're gonna need. The fruit's entirely up to you, but look, I add a little bit of vanilla extract because I'm all about flavor, and nutmeg. But it's up to your preference, to be honest. And look, the fruits I'm gonna use in this one is gonna be some strawberries and blueberries. Let's get to it. So literally just 1 cup. After my workout, I kind of like to watch a little bit of TV, and right now I've been recently watching some House of Dragons. I don't know about y'all, but House of Dragons, man. Well, we finished. Look, I'm telling you, that oatmeal slap. So basically, this is about like how long we got left of this show. I know this thing's getting crazy. I'm on episode 7 right now, season 1. You guys gotta tune in, yo. House of Dragons is getting crazy right now. But that's basically it. We pretty much got dinner just left right now. I'm gonna just finish this up. I'm gonna go do some things, and I'm gonna see you guys just in time for dinner. All right? Dinner time. All right. So all you're gonna need is a tortilla, some chicken, some tomato, onion, cheese. Make sure it's fat-free. All right. We trying to save as much as possible, and some peppers. Simple as whatever you feel like. These are the seasonings I'm about to use. And snap. It should look a little something like this. Now we're gonna throw this in the pan with a little bit of oil. Okay, so after it starts looking a little bit like this, in a separate pan, you wanna grab your tortilla, you're gonna sprinkle some cheese on it. And it should look a little something like this. All right, so you're gonna put it on one side. Now we're gonna fold this, and it's time to eat. And as always, guys, enjoy. I hope you guys liked all 3 of those recipes. If you made it this far, please give me a like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.